Assalamualaikum. My name is Rumay Karen. I'll be speaking on behalf of Haygabin, and it will be English. Sorry, pardon my Somali is not as amazing. I want you to imagine this. Imagine never having a clear understanding of the world around you, being treated differently but never knowing why. Imagine everyone praising your every single step, applauding every achievement for reaching a milestone you didn't even know existed. Imagine speaking your own language but everyone around you trying to understand too. Now, imagine never having a clear understanding of the world around you, being treated differently but never knowing why. Imagine also then being locked up, chained and misunderstood for a crime you didn't commit. Imagine speaking one language but only alone in your thoughts. The first scenario is the reality of many special needs children in the UK. They are loved, safe in the knowledge that they are loved, cared for and understood. The second scenario is the reality of many special needs children in Somaliland. Many of them chained, isolated and hidden away from the public eye. They are out of sight and out of mind. Around 15% of our young population are handicapped in some way, be it mental or physical, and they are not categorized or understood. They live the life of a prisoner, a life sentence in a court with no jury other than society. Unseen by the public, they suffer in silence, and often in tongues we cannot understand. But we can attempt to support, we can try to build, and we can educate. We can raise awareness, and we can give them the life that they deserve. It is up to us as Muslims, as a community, as Somalilanders, to help those weaker than us, to be voices for those who don't have one. I have a younger brother, Suleiman, with Down syndrome, a learning disability resulting from a third copy of the 21st chromosome, and is a disability he was born with. There is no cure, but there are ways to facilitate, engage, and to grab their potential. For example, my brother is 11 years old. He still can't speak, but he uses sign language. And anyone who's met him will tell you he's one of the funniest children they know. He is, mashallah, a very smart and intelligent young boy who before going to a special needs school in the UK was aggressive due to lack of being able to communicate. Now, after attending the school, he's very friendly, affectionate, and is even a guide to visitors to the school. This is a reality we can bring to our children. Stacey Atusha, an artist, once said, we worry about what a child will become tomorrow while forgetting that they are someone today. How can we forget who they are forever? They are still amongst us, they have a life to live, and they are entitled to happiness. Often when we think of a child's future, we aim for happiness. When it comes to special needs children, we also hope for some kind of independence. Children with special needs around the world are breaking stereotypes. They are chefs, comedians, athletes, artists, entrepreneurs. What is stopping our children from doing the same thing? We need a unified voice, a unified pledge to help them. We need to stand up for those who cannot see the sky. They are ready to learn and ready to love. Inspired by my younger brother, motivated by the silent plight of these children, my mother Yasmin Abdurrahman Haji Noor started a charity, Haygabin, to fundraise, support and facilitate centres and schools for these children. If we give these children somewhere to have fun, to learn and socialise, while simultaneously giving these hard-working mothers a well-deserved break, I think it would be fair to say we've achieved something great. A small step for man and a leap for mankind, as they say. We aim to eradicate the social stigmas and taboos unfairly placed on special needs children, speak up on the issues that often stay silent, and finally give them the life that they deserve. They've been hidden for too long, punished for too long, and they don't need to suffer any longer. They are part of us and always will be. If each land donates even $1 a month, that means 1 million people locally. That's $1 million that will go to these children, these schools, these activities, this education that they need. We want everyone, even abroad, to donate even $5 a month. That will make more than a huge difference. You don't have to come here to help Somaliland. You can help from abroad too. It's fantastic. We've made so much progress in every sector, from business to politics. Everything that we're doing is amazing. But it's time that we include these children in our life plans. Harry Truman once said, a society is not judged by its strength, but how it treats its weakest members. Let us do right by them. Thank you.